Here in Canada, we're known for saying sorry. But some things don't need an apology, like building better windows and doors. At Nordik, we are unapologetic about our craftsmanship, which honestly feels a little rebellious for Canadians. We do everything to the standard we'd expect for our own homes and families, who would definitely tell us if we cut corners. Built with our exclusive RevoCell technology, we strive for superior energy efficiency for weather that doesn't mess around. Because we refuse to settle for good enough. And sorry to brag, but we've won awards for what we do. At Nordik, we handle it all in-house. No middlemen, no mystery people, no surprises. And our 25-year no-bull warranty outlasts most mortgages and hairstyles. And yes, that's actually what it's called. Bold? Sure. But with windows and doors like ours, we're not even sorry about it.